10 secret baking soda tricks for women that will change your life. Baking soda is much more than just a leavening agent for your cakes and cookies. With its natural, affordable, and eco-friendly properties, baking soda may be a secret weapon for tackling various challenges, from personal care to household chores. Imagine being able to achieve a brighter smile, softer skin, and even a cleaner home without spending a fortune on commercial products. Baking soda's unique chemical properties make it an effective solution for many of life's little problems. In today's video, we will explore 10 secret baking soda tricks that every woman should know. Also, stay tuned till the end to find out when you should not use baking soda. Let's get started, viewers. 1. Exfoliating facial scrub. Baking soda's effectiveness as a facial exfoliant is due to its fine texture and mild abrasive properties, which allow it to gently remove dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. Exfoliation is an essential part of skincare because it helps to remove the buildup of dead skin cells that may cause the skin to look dull and may lead to clogged pores and acne. When used as a scrub, baking soda may enhance the skin's radiance, making it appear more vibrant and healthy. The slightly abrasive nature of baking soda helps to slough off dead skin cells without causing irritation, making it a suitable option for many skin types. Its gentle exfoliating action may also help to unclog pores, reducing the likelihood of breakouts. By clearing away dead skin cells, baking soda allows for better absorption of moisturizers and other skincare products, enhancing their effectiveness. Additionally, baking soda has a mild alkaline pH, which may help to balance the skin's natural acidity, further supporting skin health. To use baking soda as an exfoliant, you may mix a small amount of it with water to form a paste. This paste is then gently massaged onto the skin in circular motions. It's important to apply it with light pressure to avoid any potential irritation. To hydrate the skin after massaging, rinse the mixture off with warm water and apply a moisturizer. 2. Teeth whitening. Baking soda is a popular at-home remedy for teeth whitening due to its unique chemical structure and ability to gently polish the teeth without damaging the enamel. Substances like coffee, tea, tobacco, and particular foods are the main causes of surface stains on teeth. These stains may accumulate on the outer layer of the teeth, known as the enamel. Baking soda's mildly abrasive nature helps to physically scrub away these surface stains, revealing the whiter enamel underneath. This abrasive action is gentle enough to not harm the enamel when used correctly, but is effective in breaking down and removing discoloration. Another factor that makes baking soda effective for teeth whitening is its alkaline nature. Baking soda's alkaline pH aids in neutralizing mouth acids that bacteria produce. This not only helps prevent further staining by reducing the acidity that may erode enamel, but also creates an environment less conducive to bacterial growth. Fewer bacteria mean less plaque, which may contribute to a brighter smile over time. Brushing with baking soda paste may help remove stains from teeth. For that, you may mix baking soda with water and create a paste. Brushing with this mixture for 2 minutes a few times a week may help to gradually remove stains and whiten the teeth. It's important not to overuse baking soda for teeth whitening, as excessive use may lead to enamel erosion or increased tooth sensitivity. The American Dental Association advises moderation and recommends consulting with a dentist if you have any concerns about tooth sensitivity or oral health. 3. Natural deodorant. The primary cause of body odor is bacteria that break down skin surface sweat. Sweat itself is nearly odorless, but when it comes into contact with bacteria on the skin, it may produce an unpleasant smell. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps neutralize the acids in sweat that bacteria feed on. By altering the pH level of your underarms, baking soda creates an environment where bacteria have a harder time thriving, thus reducing the odor they produce. In addition to its pH-altering properties, baking soda also has mild antibacterial effects. While it doesn't kill bacteria like traditional antiperspirants and deodorants containing alcohol or other antibacterial agents, it does help to reduce the bacterial load on the skin. This reduction in bacteria, in turn, decreases the amount of odor they may produce. Baking soda is a popular alternative to commercial deodorants for those looking to avoid aluminum compounds and other synthetic ingredients. Many commercial deodorants and antiperspirants contain aluminum to block sweat glands temporarily. While this may be effective for reducing sweat, some people prefer to avoid aluminum due to concerns about its potential health effects, opting instead for natural solutions like baking soda. One simple method of using baking soda as a natural deodorant is to mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste, which is then applied to the underarms. Some people also mix baking soda with other natural ingredients, such as coconut oil or arrowroot powder, to improve its texture and application. A light dusting of baking soda may also be applied dry for those who prefer a powder form. 4. Hair clarifying treatment. Over time, hair may accumulate residue from styling products like gels, sprays, and conditioners, as well as natural oils and minerals from hard water. This buildup may leave hair looking dull, greasy, and weighed down. Baking soda's mildly abrasive and alkaline nature makes it an excellent option for deep cleaning the hair and restoring its natural shine. When used as a clarifying treatment, baking soda acts as a gentle cleanser that helps break down the buildup of oils and styling products. Its alkaline pH may help open the hair cuticle slightly, allowing for a deeper clean that reaches beneath the surface of the hair shaft. This ability to lift the cuticle and remove accumulated residue makes baking soda particularly effective for individuals who use a lot of styling products or live in areas with hard water, which may deposit minerals like calcium and magnesium onto the hair. To use baking soda as a hair clarifier, it is typically mixed with water to create a paste or dissolved into shampoo. This mixture is then massaged into the scalp and hair, ensuring it reaches all areas prone to buildup. After letting it sit for a few minutes, it is rinsed out thoroughly. This process may leave hair feeling cleaner, lighter, and more manageable, often improving the effectiveness of subsequent conditioning treatments. 5. Soothe skin irritations. Baking soda is a versatile and accessible household ingredient known for its soothing effects on various skin irritations. Its ability to relieve discomfort from conditions such as insect bites, sunburn, and minor rashes stems from its chemical properties that help neutralize irritants and reduce inflammation. When baking soda is applied to the skin, it may help neutralize acidic compounds that often cause irritation. For example, insect bites from mosquitoes or bees inject substances into the skin that may lead to redness, swelling, and itching. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps counteract these acids, providing relief from the associated discomfort. It may also draw out fluids from blisters and reduce swelling, further easing the pain and itchiness. To soothe skin irritations, baking soda may be used in various forms, such as a paste or a bath soak. By combining baking soda and a small amount of water, you can make a straightforward paste that you can apply directly to the affected area. This paste should be left on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes before being gently rinsed off with cool water. For widespread irritations, such as sunburn or heat rash, adding a cup of baking soda to a lukewarm bath may help calm the skin and provide relief. 6. Foot soak for soft feet. Do you have rough feet? Then you may use baking soda to treat your feet. Using it as a foot soak or scrub may transform rough, dry feet into smooth and soft ones by targeting dead skin cells, calluses, and impurities that accumulate over time. The primary benefit of using baking soda for softening feet lies in its gentle exfoliating properties. When mixed with water, baking soda forms a mildly abrasive solution that may help slough off dead skin cells, reducing rough patches and calluses that often form on the heels and soles. This exfoliating action not only smooths the skin but also promotes healthy cell turnover, leading to softer, more supple feet. In addition to exfoliation, baking soda's alkaline nature helps to balance the skin's pH levels, which may be beneficial for maintaining healthy skin. By neutralizing acids and impurities on the skin, baking soda may reduce irritation and inflammation, often present in dry or cracked feet. This may be particularly useful for individuals who spend long hours on their feet or wear tight-fitting shoes that contribute to skin stress and discomfort. Adding a few tablespoons of baking soda to a basin of warm water creates a soothing bath that may ease muscle tension and reduce foot fatigue. Soaking feet for about 15 to 20 minutes allows the baking soda solution to penetrate and soften the skin, making it easier to remove dead skin and calluses with a pumice stone or foot file afterward. 7. Refreshing mouthwash. The primary mechanism by which baking soda refreshes the mouth is through its ability to neutralize acids. The human mouth naturally contains acids from food and drinks, as well as acids produced by bacteria as they break down food particles. These acids may contribute to tooth decay and bad breath. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps to neutralize these acids, creating a more balanced pH environment in the mouth. This neutralization may reduce the risk of enamel erosion and help maintain a healthier oral cavity. Baking soda also possesses mild antibacterial properties, which may be effective in reducing the population of odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. These bacteria produce volatile sulfur compounds as they digest food particles, leading to bad breath. By reducing the acidity in the mouth and limiting bacterial growth, baking soda may help freshen breath. Using baking soda as a mouth rinse is a simple and effective way to harness these benefits. To create a mouthwash, dissolve about half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water. Swishing this solution around in the mouth for about 30 seconds may help wash away food particles, neutralize acids, and reduce bacteria, leaving the mouth feeling clean and refreshed. It's important to spit out the solution and rinse with plain water afterward to avoid ingesting too much baking soda. 8. Relief from heartburn. Heartburn occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation in the chest. Certain foods, drinks, or lifestyle choices may cause this backflow of acid, also known as acid reflux. When you experience heartburn, taking baking soda may provide quick relief by neutralizing the excess stomach acid responsible for the discomfort. Baking soda is a basic compound with a high pH, so it may effectively counteract the acidity in the stomach, raising the pH level and making the stomach environment less acidic. This neutralization may help reduce the burning sensation and provide temporary relief from heartburn symptoms. To use baking soda for heartburn relief, you typically dissolve a small amount, usually about half a teaspoon, in a glass of water. Drinking this mixture may help reduce acidity and alleviate symptoms. The solution works rapidly, often within minutes, providing quick comfort for mild cases of heartburn. However, it's important to be mindful of the dosage and frequency of use, as excessive consumption of baking soda may lead to other health issues. Always remember that it is a temporary solution. 9. Cleaning makeup brushes. Regular cleaning of makeup brushes is essential to maintain their effectiveness and prevent the buildup of bacteria, oils, and leftover makeup products, which may cause skin irritation and acne. The fine texture of baking soda makes it an effective abrasive that may gently remove makeup residue and dirt without damaging the delicate bristles of your brushes. Its mild abrasive nature helps dislodge particles trapped between the bristles, ensuring that the brushes are thoroughly cleaned. This is particularly important for brushes used with liquid or cream products, which tend to leave behind more residue than powders. Baking soda also has deodorizing properties, which help neutralize any lingering odors from makeup products or natural oils. This makes it particularly beneficial for brushes that may develop an unpleasant smell over time due to product buildup or exposure to moisture. By neutralizing odors, baking soda ensures that your brushes are clean and fresh, ready for use on the skin. To clean makeup brushes with baking soda, you may create a solution by dissolving a tablespoon of baking soda in a cup of warm water. Soak the brushes in this solution for about 20 to 30 minutes, gently agitating them occasionally to help loosen any debris. After soaking, rinse the brushes thoroughly under running water to remove any remaining baking soda and residue. Finally, reshape the bristles and lay the brushes flat on a clean towel to air dry. 10. Natural kitchen cleaner. Grease is a common problem in kitchens, accumulating on stovetops, counters, and appliances due to cooking activities. Baking soda's ability to saponify fats and oils helps to lift and dissolve greasy residues, making surfaces easier to clean. When mixed with a little water, baking soda may form a paste that may be applied to greasy surfaces, where it may work to loosen and absorb the grease. This makes it ideal for cleaning stovetops, ovens, and range hoods, which may quickly accumulate a layer of oily residue. Another advantage of using baking soda as a kitchen cleaner is its non-toxic nature, making it safe for use around food preparation areas and for households with children and pets. Unlike commercial cleaners that may leave behind chemical residues, baking soda may be easily rinsed away with water, leaving no harmful traces behind. To use baking soda as a kitchen cleaner, it may be applied directly to surfaces as a dry powder or mixed with water to form a paste. For tougher stains or heavily soiled areas, baking soda may be combined with other natural ingredients like vinegar or lemon juice to enhance its cleaning power. For example, sprinkling baking soda over a surface and then spraying it with vinegar creates a fizzy reaction that may help lift dirt and grime more effectively. In which scenarios should women not use baking soda? While baking soda is a versatile and effective product for many purposes, there are certain scenarios where women should be cautious or avoid using it. 1. Cleaning menstrual cups. Baking soda is not recommended for cleaning menstrual cups. Its abrasive nature may damage the silicone or rubber material of the cups, leading to degradation over time. It's best to use a gentle, unscented soap and warm water to clean menstrual cups, or follow the manufacturer's cleaning instructions. 2. Vaginal Health. Baking soda should not be used for douching or vaginal cleansing. The alkaline properties of baking soda could upset the vagina's natural pH balance, which could result in irritation, infections, or modifications to the natural flora. It's important to maintain the natural balance of the vaginal area and consult with a healthcare provider for any concerns. 3. Sensitive facial skin. While baking soda may be used as an exfoliant, it may be too harsh for sensitive facial skin, causing irritation or dryness. Those with sensitive skin should consider gentler exfoliants or consult with a dermatologist for suitable alternatives. 4. Frequent use in hair care. Baking soda may strip natural oils from the hair and scalp, leading to dryness and potential damage. Women with dry or color-treated hair should use it sparingly or opt for milder hair care products designed for their specific hair type. 5. Frequent use in oral care. Although baking soda may help with teeth whitening, frequent use may wear down tooth enamel due to its abrasive nature. It's important to use it sparingly and in conjunction with fluoride toothpaste to maintain dental health. 6. Cleaning delicate surfaces. Baking soda's abrasive texture may scratch delicate surfaces like glass, certain metals, and non-stick cookware. Women should avoid using baking soda on these materials and opt for appropriate cleaning agents. 7. Sensitive underarm skin. Some individuals may experience irritation or allergic reactions when using baking soda as a natural deodorant due to its alkaline pH. If irritation occurs, discontinue use and consider alternative natural deodorants that are specifically formulated for sensitive skin. These simple yet effective baking soda tricks may make a significant difference in your daily routine. From enhancing your beauty regime to solving everyday problems, baking soda is a versatile product that every woman should have in her home. Always consult your healthcare provider before consuming baking soda. Stay safe. Live healthy. In today's video, we have discussed the many benefits of baking soda for women. Interested in learning more? Watch 12 heart attack signs in women to never ignore. Or watch what happens to your body when you eat blueberries daily. Watch one, or even better, watch both. Will you be incorporating baking soda into your routine from now on? Let us know in the comments below.